Is the class time today 2:20 to 3:20 or any other thing? 2:30 to 3:30. Okay, okay. So this is fixed timetable, huh? 2:30 to 3:30. Okay. I thought 2:20 only. Fine. So what we're discussing actually, titration problems, no? Okay, okay. Mhm. So every class we have 15 minutes break. Good, good. Any doubts you may can ask, we'll discuss. Or if you don't have any doubt, we'll wait 2 more minutes, then you can start. Mostly there won't be change because timings that is fixed. Maybe class will be changed. Maybe suppose instead of chemistry, physics will come. Instead of physics, chemistry will come like that. We'll discuss one question. You can solve that is. Yes, yes. Very well. You may can ask doubt. Send. The H2O2 actually little bit confusion, but you remember that equation we can get easily. Test portion, all titrations, balancing equations, n factor calculation, mole concept also you'll get some questions. So 2 chapters together test this time. 16 questions from titrations concept means n factor everything, and 9 questions from some basic concepts. Maybe questions will repeat also. Previous exam you wrote now already. That some of the questions also may can repeat. That's we are giving wantedly. If you done any mistake, so you may you're doing or not like that error notebook you are maintaining or not. For testing purpose, we will give again repeating questions also. Calculate what is the volume of O2 released by 1.10, 1.5 N S2O2. 1.5 N S2O2 releases dash liters of O2. Right? Right, do carefully class notes. Huh? Done. 8.4 liters. Okay, fine. I hope you know that one. 1 normality equal to 5.6 liters. Then 1.5 normal equal to how much? Fine, correct answer. Mm, 1 minute. Not think I am. Array, more salt is there one formula, you know that one, more salt. What is the more salt formula? MOHRS, more salt. So you can write FeSO4 dot ammonium sulfate dot 6H2. And this is the more salt. Please note down. In this case, which is reacting parts are? Suppose here iron plus 2 oxidation state. This is sulfate, anyway sulfate that won't be participate. This ammonium is there. Even if they are reacting with KMnO4, only iron plus 2 can convert into plus 3. So in this process, change in N factor how much? Plus 2 to plus 3. No need to consider any this part. That won't be oxidation. That won't participate in redox reaction. Only iron plus 2 to plus 3. Only this is occurs, change in oxidation number. So N factor you will get 1, sir. Please note down. More salt N factor is 1. Suppose they are reacting with KMnO4, you may can write simply MnO4 minus plus Fe2 plus. You will get Mn2 plus Fe3 plus. So N factor, this is acidic medium. I'm taking acidic medium, sir. So N factor is 5. This N factor is how much? 1. So you will get here MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus gives rise Mn2 plus Fe3 plus. This is 5 is there. So remaining we may can get in presence of H plus, that is. So water will get, that is common. I'm not writing, that is just H2O. So think about only these two, because that is only participating in redox reactions. Is it clear? That's only going to be participate in redox reactions. That scientist name. You may can find out reason. Even I didn't remember that reason. You can search it in internet. You may can get proper reason. I didn't remember that anything. Fine. Any other thing? Array, Shailesh. Now we are asking question how 5Mn2 plus. Sorry. I can remove that one, sir. Please, not 5Mn, 5Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, no? Please note down. That is correct. You are correct, sir. We done small mistake. You can write 5Fe3 plus. Now matched everything correct? Yes. Now this is correct. Sorry for the mistake. Ashwin, today we can't change that is. We have to follow because I'm sitting one alone, one room. Because of no persons is there, that's why. Huh? So there is no observers, sound observers. That's why. Yes, yes, there is no sound absorbers in this room. Only me is there. That's why. There's no sound absorbers here much more. Only one person. That's why sound is like that. That repeating. Tomorrow onwards again you won't get. Again I'm going my same place, so you won't get any problem. Clear? Okay, okay. Are Devadarshan, we spent 2 hours also. Especially I will try for you again one more way. Huh? I think so. You remember that list of formula, which is weight by weight percent. You can see 2 to 3 times or practice 2 to 3 times yourself by writing on paper. You can understand. It's not a difficult thing. First, which you are not understanding H2O2 thing. Thank you. Thank you. I tried questions I given, which the problem is here already question papers is ready. Then we have to choose some questions. Okay, that is a problem. That's why sometimes good questions will come. Sometimes even I don't like to give that question, but still I need to give that question like that. But still we are trying to give little bit good questions only. But if regular classes we are giving paper, na, at the time really you can enjoy that question paper because we can give according to our status because that paper is prepared for last year students. Now you people are good, some people is very good like that. In that situation these papers may not be matched or sometimes tough questions also will come like that. But everything we are waiting for when lockdown going to be removed that one or when vaccine will come. Kanish, okay, okay. But I'm not able to learn Tamil, that's very bad, but my son can talk Tamil perfectly, but I'm not able to learn. Easy, but thing is, all the students they're talking with me mostly in English only are communicating. That's why that's gone. But wherever I'm going, I'm trying to make them to speak in English, but I didn't learn that language. But anyway, I'll try at least next time. With you people, I will try that is. When I come back, then we'll try that is. No, Ashwin, just I'm belongs to Andhra Pradesh. That's why I didn't learn means Tamil. But I'm fan of Surya and Vikram. Both are good. Those are good actors. Yes, yes, Telugu, Telugu only. Okay, all people came. They're still joining. They're waiting for them. Marvel movie. No, recently I didn't see anything. Okay, okay. Kokilan. Fine. I studied at NIT Warangal. I studied NIT Warangal actually. Are Devadarshan, we seen all movies, Vijay movies also recently also came, na? All double action movies. We seen that one more Tupaki, Murugadas director. We seen all that movies we are seeing. Okay. I am not entered in JE actually. I entered to NIMSET is there because I am MSc background. I'm only purely chemistry. I'm done. Okay, only purely chemistry. MSc chemistry that is purely chemistry. That's my rank is 59th. All India 59th at the time. Purely MSc this is. This is not like JE, that is this separate exam. After BSc, they are going to be conduct. But actually, I am not eligible to write IIT at the time. So that's why I got only NIT I am eligible to write. So I wrote that I got this is the rank. Which is eligible to write all universities I wrote at that time. But mostly I got all the universities rank. Just I can enter any university that is. But I choose only NIT. That's why I joined here. Oh, good. Fine, but I would like to teach teaching. That's why I came. Array, Roshan, that all answers very difficult to give right now. We'll see later. Array, percentage criteria, they won't keep that one, but we'll try. See, NITs or IITs, array, only 2 minutes. After that, we can start our class. I don't want to waste your time. Some people may feel bored, that's why. Very simple. Nowadays, only except toppers, sir. Maybe you can take hardly 1,000 to 2,000 people only toppers. Okay, assume that one who are taking foundation classes from 6th standard to 12th standard. They are taking only foundation for JE purpose. Hardly these people. Even they are taking more than also, they won't be there in the race. They are just studying formality purpose. They won't be. Real aspirants is this much. So remaining people is just above average students. Don't think that one. When they joined class, and I will give best example you can see. Whenever, see, I'm taking this example from Fiji, sir. One of the Saurabh student is there. Saurabh, actually, he came from state board. He joined with CBSE, state board for IIT he joined. Up to 10th standard, he don't have any basics. He didn't join anywhere, any foundation classes anywhere. He joined, then he came to me. Okay, sir, I am the fresher. I don't know anything, but these people are already Fiji Foundation they took and other classes also they came. He learned atomic numbers and everything when joined with me. But end of the year, okay, he only joined NITs. NIT or IIT qualified. I think so 5,000 or something rank he got. So that's the situation. He only got that is. He joined, he don't know even atomic number starting. Anything you don't know that one. But still he joined IIT. See, he is just working only with smart work. Whatever we are teaching, is follow that is, he will do that day work or next day he will complete. At least in that week he will complete, then he'll proceed like that. He also facing so many problems. Sir, I'm making timetable. I'm not able to follow the timetable. Even I'm assuming today I can do 30 questions, but I'm able to do only 15 to 20 questions only. That's every student common problem that is. You no need to think that seriously. Just you can try it, that's enough. Are you assuming 30, at least you done 15 to 20, that's also good. That is not bad work. Huh? Instead of not doing, but at least you are doing 15 to 20, that's too good. Just we can move, just whatever you are assuming, but keep in mind, which is you have thought the topics, I given easiest method, first practice on rough paper. Whatever you thought that is, just 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then start to solve problems. At least you can remember theory perfectly. Then you can apply whenever the question they came, at least you can try it. At least you can try our best. Clear? But do that is regular work, regularly. Are Sudarshan K. I forwarded one book actually. That book contained too many questions, na? Titrations. Arey, no need to go 6th standard to 12th standard, anything, nothing, sir. Arey, you are correct person means you are interestedly, you are studying, only just 11th and 12th more than enough. Even some people they are done 12th standard also, means they are actually a little bit good, they are doing committedly, they can get. Doesn't matter that is. Without coaching also they got too many people. If you want, you can see YouTube, too many success stories is there. With too many such stories, even internet you can find out. But only interest. You know that one who are entering nowadays IITs and IITs, just above average students or average students, just average students are IIT or NITs. Whatever we are teaching, all subjects they are managing properly, they are practicing continuously, they never give up. They are getting one exam is maybe top. Out of 300, they are getting 250 also. They never think that one. Even they are getting 100 also. But you have to improve constantly. That's only requirement. Sometimes topic is difficult. Okay. If difficult means everyone difficult for them, why you are thinking I didn't get good score? Don't feel like that way. But Ashwin, maybe I seen that one. I didn't. Maybe you can request one more time. Doesn't matter. Wantedly, I never do anything that is. Maybe busy like that is a problem. But I never do wantedly anything against stuff. Maybe you can request one more time. I will send again back. Hey, whatever you want, send 1 or 2 times SMS only. Na? That is, I think so nowadays internet is free. Everyone they are getting very less price. You make a request 1 or 2 times. What's the problem? Wins, correct. You are correct only. I will try maximum whatever your requirements I will provide for you, especially for your target purpose. Even in terms of motivation, in terms of subject, in terms of books, whatever that is, doesn't matter. But end of the day, if you are using or not, that is up to you. That is, if you are utilizing or not, that's only. If you are utilizing properly, that's good. Even at least if you are not utilizing, you are looking all these things, you make your brain make and mature that is. That's more than enough, at least sometimes. Hey, Sudarshan, you don't have my number? I think so I given too many times, na? 9491207523. I think so I given too many times my number, huh? 9491207523. This is my permanent WhatsApp number. Arey Devadarshan, you didn't see that one. Huh? Already I posted that yesterday, I think so. Swati V. This is starting only. We are doing whatever. Just you can revise continuously every day at least 10 to 15 minutes chemistry notes. At least every day 10 to 15 minutes you can revise. Every day, starting onwards, you can revise. Then whenever you find free time, just do randomly few questions. Maybe you didn't understand, look into solutions. Doesn't matter here. Okay. Arey, my full name Nandi Dayakar Reddy. Okay, na? Kanish. My full name Nandi Dayakar Reddy. Arey, don't think CBSE is easy book. Okay. CBSE is very easy. Kaushik Babu. Compared to state board, CBSE going to be easy, but maybe they thought you would teach us like that, but we are going to learn everything very easiest way. Everything we are going to discuss easiest way. You don't worry that one. We are going to learn chemistry like that. Sudarshan, sure that is. You make a request, 100% I will send that one. Most of this week syllabus is completed for you. Nothing is remaining. Narendra Vasti, I think so. I have to search. Old version is there. That is not new version. Oh, 600. Good, good. Because of few people only, na? Devadarshan. All you are with me. That's why. Singha is also very good book. With respect to theory, even problems also good. Singha's book. Even Narendra Vasti only purely problems is there. If you want theory plus problems, you can prefer Singha's book. If you need only problems, even compared to Narendra Vasti, too many good books is there. Narendra Vasti is the that can reach average student, but not tough. Briju Anand, maybe I can understand that my name only. Okay, fine. Sure, sure. Already your friends they're asking through WhatsApp only. Who's that one? First like. Good, good. Fine. Some people they feel bored. You can start. So just sometimes you can do these things. Not regularly, anyway, you won't do. Is it okay? I hope titrations we completed everything. Mostly all concentration methods also we done, except double titration wantedly I left, that is double titration. I didn't forget that one, but wantedly I left, that is. If that's to understand that one, you need some maturity. If I thought now, you may get confusion easily. That's why. Later we'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss some more concepts. Just a minute. Fine. In the next class, we are going to discuss atomic structures mostly. You can see that is either this week or next week. The basics and everything. We can do one more problem. You can try it. I need to ask you this question, please. Suppose FeSO4 plus Fe2SO4 taken thrice. These two I am reacting with KMnO4 in acidic media, which can react with KMnO4, sir. FeSO4 or Fe2SO4 taken thrice.
Senior BX3.
Yes, your answer is correct. FeSO4. Because this is +2 oxidation state, it can change into +3. But here +3 already, so it can't react. So these type of things also you need to remember, sir. They will give, suppose here, what type of question they can ask, we can see. That's mostly advanced level they can ask. Even I given some questions coming exam also. Suppose here KMnO4 they are reacting 0.2 m 50 ml. Okay, 0.2 m 50 ml reacting with the solution mixture. Okay, assume that one this weight is we can assume that one, suppose 2 grams. I am giving randomly, sir. We can change that weight. Then what is the composition of FeSO4? What is the composition of FeTSO4? Taken thrice they can ask. In this case, like this, they will give question, sir. 2 grams of mixture is there, these two. Then there's reacting with KMnO4 in acidic medium. In that KMnO4 require 0.2 m 50 ml. This is a simple question. Then how to find out which can react with KMnO4? Only FeSO4. I can write Gn of FeSO4 equal to Gn of KMnO4. Is it correct? Now you can write here 0.2 m. Molarity we are converting to normality. KMnO4 in acidic medium N factor is fixed, that is always 5. 5 into 50 ml. So this is the equivalence of FeSO4. If you know equivalence means you can calculate weight by gram equivalent weight. Then you can calculate weight. After that weight, you can subtract from 2. Then you can get composition of FeSO4 you can get. Then remaining amount is ferric sulfate. So this type of questions you can get. Clear? No, not both FeSO4. FeSO4 and ferric sulfate. Ferric sulfate doesn't react because already +3 oxidation state, that won't be react. Only ferrous sulfate only can react. A simple thing again I am explaining. Please listen. Some people at least you got it. First step we got it. Which can going to be reacted with KMnO4? These two I am going to be reacted with KMnO4. Which can react FeSO4? Not ferric sulfate. Clear? You're getting my point. Only FeSO4 can react because this is +2 oxidation state. It undergo oxidation state up to Fe +3. That's why it can react. But here already iron is +3, so there is no change in oxidation state. Again, suppose +3 means no use of that one, so that's why it won't be react. Which is reacting, we can equal in terms of gram equivalents. Once you know equivalents, then you can calculate weight of FeSO4. If you know weight, total weight, suppose they given 2 grams. Suppose I'm getting this is FeSO4 weight is 0.5 grams. Then what is the weight of FeTSO4 taken thrice? Total FeSO4 plus Fe2SO4 taken thrice. Assume that one. Total weight is 2 grams. If this is 0.5 grams, we are calculating from by using gram equivalent number. Then this is X equal to 2 grams, then X equal to 1.5. Alright, just I am taking, suppose assume that one, which is reacting, that is the only important point here. This type of questions also you can get. I am asking, this type of questions will come. Keep in mind, that's why. You can try some more questions with respect to titration. A simple concept, don't think that one. Huh? Just GN concept, everywhere we are discussing just the concept of GN only. I'm not discussing any other concepts. Even array we are not getting, don't think that one. These are that much questions. Maybe they can ask, may not be right now. Suppose you are not understanding right now, don't feel bad. Just note down everything in notes. Later we will get ideas, sir. We require some maturity to understand chemistry. Means higher level, whatever that is, you can assume. Don't feel bad. Why I'm not able to understand? Okay, our time will come, then you can understand. Now write one more question. What is the volume of 0.5 m KMnO4 required to react with 0.6 m 20 ml of NaHC2O4 solution. Done? Fine. One more question. This is done means you can do, sir, one more. Array, whatever they given, see, very easy. In this part, what you can get here, suppose Na plus is the ion. Metal always will leave first. Keep in mind. HC2O4 minus will get. Here oxalate, this is actually H2C2O4 supposed to be. It can replace by one hydrogen by Na ion. Is it correct? Actually, 2H2C24 is the H2C2O4 is the oxalic acid. One hydrogen replaced by sodium. Here this is nothing but oxalate only, na? C2O4 2 minus. When C2O4 2 minus reacting, what is the N factor C2O4 2 minus? Whatever C2O4 2 minus N factor is, if converted into 2CO2, here plus 3, here plus 4, difference is 1, 2 carbons, 2 is the N factor. So wherever we are getting oxalate, this term C2O4, that's N factor is fixed, 2 that is. So now we can write Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2. What is the answer? Already some people I think so they given 9.6 ml. Is it correct? 9.4 ml. Array, just I'm looking your answers on. At least 9 plus you got means fine. How to do? Array, now who are not getting, please try it. What's the formula here? Even we don't know anything, doesn't matter. What they given? Simple formula. This is KMnO4, this is oxalate. Just at least write formula. Gn of 1 equal to 1 is KMnO4 equal to Gn of NaHC2O4. Both they gain volume and molarity. So I can write here Volume I don't know, but molarity 0.5. What is N factor KMnO4? 5. Volume I don't know, I need to calculate. What about here? G answer 0.6. What is the N factor for oxalate? 2. What is the volume? 20. Now calculate VML equal to, that's your answer. What is your answers you got? So some people 9.6, 9.3, 9.4. Okay, finally, this is the calculation you make and do. You are experts to do calculations. Finally, VML equal to 9 point something, right? So 9.6 ml, or some people they give a 9.4 ml also. You can calculate and check it, which is correct. So 9.6, accurate value, fine. .6. Okay. One more question. This is similar questions, but my intensity, still some people not able to do, that's why. Now write that question. 100 ml of XM KMnO4, 100 ml of X molarity, sir, M KMnO4 is required to oxidize, is required to oxidize 200 ml of 0.2 m ferric oxalate. 0.2 m ferric oxalate. Anyone can you write formula? Ferric oxalate in acidic medium. What is the normality of KMnO4? What is the normality of KMnO4? What's the N of KMnO4? I'm giving ferric oxalate formula. You can write Fe2C2O4 taken thrice. Ferric means iron should be plus 3 state. Ferric means iron should be plus 3 states, sir. Then total N factor you can calculate. 1 C2O4 N factor is 2. Then how many is there? You can check it. Yes, right. Very simple. Again, same Gn of KMnO4 equal to Gn of how much, sir? Fe2C2O4 taken thrice. So here volume they given, we don't know, this is molarity, sir. Even that's also we need to find out. But how many moles this is? Can you find out how many moles in balancing equation? Okay, leave it. What we'll get here? KMnO4 N factor 5. Ferric oxalate n factor 6 because each oxalate is 2. Total how much you will get? 6. So I think so some people they got answer we are expecting. Yes, Priya Lakshmi and Pranav. Fine, fine. Hare, half people they given Japit. Yes, sir, Ashwati. All people they given, sir. Good, good. So now can you do? See, normality into volume is the GN formula. Here also same thing, normality into volume. But here, how much molarity they given? We don't know. Molarity of KMnO4. X into N factor how much generally? 5. X into 5 into 200 ml, sorry, 100 ml equal to 0.2 into N factor is 6 for oxalate into 200 ml. You can get normality. How much? 2.4. Everyone you are getting? Yes. Fine. Over your answer. Okay, molarity is 0.48. Maybe. Array 1. How 6 N factor? Some people they are asking. Look carefully here. Previous case here only. 1 oxalate N factor how much, sir? 1 C2O4 N factor how much? Above one you can see I'm writing with green color. How much N factor? 1 C2O4? 2. Above the question, sir. You got it? Here how many oxalate is there? Ferric oxalate. How many? 3. Each oxalate 2 N factor. Then 3. 6. Any doubt? Are you understood or not? Kaushik Babu. Check it. Yes, yes, I'm going to do that one. Array waste fellow, Fe already plus 3 oxidation state, na? This is go back crisscross. Fe to C2O4 thrice. Then 3 you can write for iron, 2 you can write for oxalate. What will get? Fe3 plus. Fe3 plus means that won't be react each other, na? Then only Fe plus 2 can react. Previous example only we discussed, na? That is, this is won't be react. Clear? That's why I'm not taking iron. Any other question? No, we have to do mistake, then we have to learn. Then only can remember long time. Next time you won't do in examination any mistake. Fine. Array, don't take personally, which is I'm calling waste fellow. That is generally I'm using word. That is too many fans is there for that word from Bombay onwards. Even your seniors also really enjoyed too much. That is, even in class also they enjoyed everything. Array, see again here. Iron is plus 3 oxidation state. Iron is plus 3. Plus 3 means Fe plus 2 converted into plus 3, is it possible? But plus 3 to further there is no oxidation for iron. That's why only plus 3 is there, then you have to stop. Here already iron is plus 3. That's why that is not going to be lose any electrons. But they can gain electrons, but here oxalate is losing state. Ferric oxalate is means electrons losing state. because KMnO4 gaining state, that's why. Iron already +3, so they can't lose electrons. Okay, fine. Arey, both ml means we don't want convert, na Ashwin? Why you don't want convert? You can see this is 100 by 1000. Here also 200 by 1000. 1000 will be cancel or not? 1000 cancel. So what is the need of to convert ml? Sorry, liter. Is there any necessity? That's why if both units is there, that will be cancel each other. You don't worry that one. Any other points? Okay, actually this class I kept this week slowly means reason. If any gaps is there, that should be fulfilled. You should be asked all the doubts. So Mashekar, please check. Can you check it? Why answer you are finding n equal 0.48? Array, by calculating this is you are not getting n equal 2.4. Let me know that one. We done any mistake? Please check it. X into 5 into 100 equal to 0.2 into 6 into 200. We didn't get 2.4 or any other value you are getting. Array, POC method in thought. We done GN method. That's more than enough. Okay. We will try later POC also. First priority we given this is. So who are getting 0.48? Please check it. Okay, molarity. Fine. You make an molarity you are giving. I thought normality. That's right. Yeah, you people also correct. Fine. Any other? I think so. This titration concept, everyone you got. Just practice. There is no end. This one titration concept and all these things. There is no end. If possibility is there, tomorrow we'll discuss. That is what is that? Oleum. That oleum also, that is very rare case they're asking still. Nowadays they're not asking. And degree of hardness is there. One thing I'm thinking that is we can discuss right now, or hydrogen compounds will come that chapter. In that chapter we'll discuss. Two cases we can do that is. So mostly last 1 month we are discussing titration, all these things. You may feel little bit bored. That's we can go atomic structure. That which is the given ppm and all these things. We'll see that one later. Otherwise, we can decide tomorrow morning what we have to discuss. The titration is actually volumetric analysis. There is no lesson. This is actually related to practicals. But we are getting very frequently questions for up to advanced level. Up to advanced level. That's why I thought this is under redox reactions. Clear? Fine. So just a minute. Okay, over these are the questions. If any other doubts is there, you may can ask. Otherwise, we can do one more question. We can close today. That tomorrow you can start freshly other concept. You may can ask, but based on my time availability, I will give you reply. So, one more question required. We can do another question. Fine. Simple questions I am giving for understanding purpose. But advanced also you can do that questions. You can do advanced questions later. Okay, when our YouTube channel live started, we can do that is all questions in advance. No, fine. Okay, write this question. Calculate the amount of NaHC2O4 required to react with 0.8 m 200 ml of NaOH solution. Try this question. DX3 na your bag. Class that is only. Senior DX3. So got the answer? $12.96. Okay, approximately 13 grams. Okay, fine. Any other people? What is the N factor we are taking here? N factor for NaHCO3, NaHCO2O4. May I know N factor? One N factor. Huh? Don't take two. N factor is one. Because it's acid-base reaction, not titration. NaOH is acid-base reaction. It can lose only one H plus ion. So N factor should be one, sir. This is not redox reaction. So acid-base reaction, it can lose only one H plus ion. Can lose only one H plus ion, sir. NaH C2O4 plus NaOH. This is not redox reaction, just acid-base reaction. Just acid-base reaction. It can replaces only one H plus ion, Na2C2O4 plus H2O. So how many water molecules or how many H plus ion they replaces? Only one. Are you understood logic? Who got N factor by using one? Those people got correct answer. Then fine, few people. Or Ashwin, check it. How much you are using n factor after calculating equivalents? Then weight by equivalent weight. We have to consider sodium weight also. Equivalent weight, no total weight. Sodium plus HC2O4 by n factor is 1. Who people, that people who use that one n factor is 1, all those people you got correct answer. Some people are getting 17.9, 25.9. Check it, calculations. Lakshita, check that number. That looking too much big, huh? Too big. I think so you are not using VML, that is. You have to convert into ml liters. Don't forget that one. Don't forget that one. Check it. VML is there. That you need to convert into liters. Okay. Or you can use that one, whatever steps is there. Gram equal number of 1 equal to 2 again. Zero 0.8, sorry, 0.8 into n factor is 1 into 200 by 1000 equal to weight by, can calculate equivalent weight of NaHCO3, sir. Can calculate 23 1 plus 12 into 24 64. Then calculate everything. This is the weight. Can use here equivalent weight. Then calculate, your answer will become. Okay, take break. We'll see later. Thank you very much. We can meet tomorrow, either hardness of water or we can see atomic structure. We'll decide. Thank you very much. Take break.